Right, so in this video I thought I'd just show you a quick solution to a problem for me forced out of necessity in this instance, but it is a really handy tip to know, really. Basically what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a frame to hold wood steady. So if you need to, say, perhaps draw knife it or put tenon joints on the ends, or like a round tenon, or just hold wood still while you cut it. It's really simple, really straightforward, and it can be done in a number of ways with any old bits of wood. In this case I've got a couple of lengths of hazel here, and that is literally all we're going to need for this. Now I'll cut these to length, and then while I'm putting it together I'll explain a little bit more about it. Okay, right, so we've got our two main pieces cut, and we've got our angles put on. Right, the next step is pretty straightforward. Now I'm just going to put a screw in here. I guess this is cheating a bit, but for what it's worth, let's just... Right, so this is how it works. Really, really simple. It's not rocket science. It simply sits there. The frame clamps it like that. It doesn't really want to move anywhere. I'll just show you quickly. Brilliant little device, really handy for doing those small things that you can't really do well on a log horse either with a chainsaw. See, fantastic, holds it still. I mean, you can use your draw knife on that, you can use your whittling knife, anything. It's just brilliant for holding pieces of wood together. It doesn't have to be made out of round wood, it can be made out of any square formal timbers. As long as it's that basic layout, it's that principle there. It's that principle. Yeah, it's also quite diverse. I mean, you can get some larger pieces of wood, and if they don't fit through there, simply put them through there, and then they're off the ground, and that will do for cutting with a chainsaw. Great device, very versatile, can be made anywhere. The other thing I would point out is I've put screws in here. Now screws do split the wood. Nails would be less likely to. Again, nails are more convenient because you haven't always got a drill. Failing that, a piece of string and just tied up with twine. I mean, taking it really a step further, if needs be, you can always use some bark if you can find the right kind of bark to make your bindings with. But essentially, that frame, that structure, that shape, so many uses, ever so handy, and minimum resources. Anyway, I hope that's helped someone out, because I had a hunt round and I couldn't find too much about clamping wood without a vise. Anyway, cheers, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, keep an eye on future projects and ideas like this one, and see you in the next one. Cheers. Right, I thought I'd just show you. This is what I've managed to produce today in a couple of hours this afternoon, just using that triangle or A-frame, however you like, as my only clamping device, as I don't have a vise here on site, or any way of clamping. So yeah, it's been really handy. It's enabled me, I mean, I've managed to clamp all the flat pieces in that chair, all the thin pieces, all the large pieces. It's really quite a handy little device, that triangle. Anyway, yeah, I thought I'd just show you.